It doesn't even look like there's a baby in there. That could just be a bundle of pink stuff. I think she's smiling. Are you smiling, babe? Look at that. That's ridiculous. Hi, baby. Is this crazy?
Food for the squirrels.
Ah. Hi, Obichmoya. Is this big snow?
Katya, where is the snow?
Wow.
Okay,
Wow.
by yourself. Good girl. Let's go to Dad. Katya, where is Dad?
Oh.
Good girl.
Oh, you guys are the walkinists. I'm gonna go back here.
Okay.
It looks spookier that way. So, what's the date, honey?
February 2nd, 2011.
Excellent. She's got about 2 more minutes and then she goes in.
I know.
Ah. How about that, Katya? You want me to throw you in the center?
I'll leave it here for
Yeah. Danny. Danny.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Whoa! Danny.
She's all against.
Yeah, yeah. I don't think she's having as much fun as you are. Say bye-bye. Say hey, Al.
Hey, Jan.
This is for history.
The baby's got fun, really?
Oh, yeah. I think Mama's having a little fun, too. Hey, Mama. Go get your coat. She's too smart to be out here. Okay, guys, I'm going to turn this off. It's getting wet.
Okay, just close up. Katya, where is Dad?
Bye, honey. See you later. Bye, honey.
Bye bye.